subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first. Hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly. Hi, this video is about the unboxing of Samsung's new flagship phone S9. So let's get started. So, the first thing you get is a SIM removal tool and some documents like quick user guide, instructional parchments etc. And then, GSM SIM card, C960T Nano SIM card, Samsung Galaxy S9 comes with Snapdragon 845 octa-core processors with 4GB RAM, 5.8-inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED 570-pixel screen, infinity display, a near bezel-less, full frontal, edge-to-edge screen. Default resolution is Full HD Plus and can be changed to Quad HD Plus in settings. Screen measured diagonally as full rectangle without accounting for the rounded corners. 12-megapixel rear camera, super speed dual pixel, 8-megapixel front camera, 64GB, plus up to 400GB via microSD expansion, Android 8.0, Oreo. Then, we have a device itself, USB cable Type-C, AKG wired earbuds, bonus squishy bits, USB power adapter, USB connector. At first glance, the Samsung Galaxy S9 shares a similar look and feel to Samsung's previous top smartphone, the S8. You might recognize it because Samsung has continued with the beautiful edge-to-edge 5.8-inch infinity display with Quad HD Plus resolution. On the front of the phone, you'll also see the 8-megapixel selfie camera as well as Samsung's iris recognition security features top left and right. When you turn it over, you'll get your first look at the Galaxy S9's innovative 12-megapixel camera, whose dual aperture lens adapts to the photograph depending on lighting conditions. If you look carefully, you can actually see the apertures change when you're taking photos. The other noticeable feature here is that Samsung has moved the fingerprint sensor from the S8 to the center line of the phone, further away from the camera, making lens smudges are less likely. From this view you can also see the heart rate sensor to the right of the camera. On the top of the handset, we can see the SIM tray, and on the bottom of the handset, we can see that while other devices have moved away from including a 3.5mm headphone port, the Samsung Galaxy S9 retains it, meaning that you can use both Bluetooth and wired headphones, like those included in the box. There is also a multi-purpose USB Type-C connector for charging, data transfer, or connecting other accessories. On the left side, we have volume and Bixby button, while the power button is on the right side of the device. The question now is, should you upgrade? If you're still holding a year-old flagship, our advice is to hold off buying unless you really want that camera performance. The Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are great phones, but they're not great enough to warrant a purchase if you already have a 2017 flagship. That being said, Samsung's new hotness is the phone to beat this year, and erases any doubt in our minds that the company is out to forge their own legacy and not piggyback off of the success of their competitor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Peace.